Hi, I'm Kevin Bowling with RevoltionAire. I want to go over a couple of things with their unit ventilator about maintenance and the operation, just kind of some basics. The first thing I want to show you is you need a 5/16 wrench to be able to open the cabinet doors. This is a Milwaukee 11-in-1, and if you take the bit insert out, this is a 5/16 tip here, or this is a Klein T-handle Allen wrench. I'm going to use the Milwaukee to open the door. Counterclockwise till it hits the stop. First thing I want to point out is the door has two filters in the filter. These need to be changed regularly. The other door, there's two filters in this compartment as well. One filter behind the door. There's another filter behind this EV core. The EV core has to be removed to get access to the back filter. You want to pull from the left-hand side, rotate it out just a little bit, and then you can slide it over, and the core slides right out. And then you have access to the back of the cabinet where the other filter are. It's very important to change out these two smaller filters to prevent the core from getting dirty. However, if the core does get dirty, this can be vacuumed with a soft bristle brush on the vacuum. Putting the core back in, you want to line it up. It has an EV core label on top and the serial number in front. The serial number always goes in the front, and the EV core label shows your return and outside air for your orientation. When you slide it back in, you have to slide it in on this flange bracket to get the core back in. And then just slide it right back in, and then your door can go back on. When you put the door back on, it does have a little bit of pressure because this gasket seals the airflow in between these two compartments. So that is normal. Now, going a little bit over the operation of the unit, we have a relay on the unit that communicates to the air handler. When the air handler turns on, it notifies our system that it's time for all of this to use its sensors and work. We have the VOC sensor. The VOC sensor displays the humidity, the return air temperature. It measures the VOC content in the air. If the VOC content reaches 400 or greater, then our fresh air and our exhaust fans kick on to bring that VOC content back down below the 400 level. It is automatic. The fans kick on. There's nothing that has to be done on as far as the maintenance side. I'm just talking a little bit about how that works. We also have the ionizer, which is an option. The ionizer helps clean the air. That can be added on, and it only runs when the unit is running, but it does run all the time. It's not dependent on the VOC level. Of course, that is an option that can be changed. There are some fuses that can be checked in the event that there's some failure. The lights don't seem to be working right. There's a fuse here. There's an onboard fuse on the relay board. There's a drain pan on the inside, and if you have significant condensation, we could have a condensate switch failure. There's water coming out of the drain pan. If there are advanced issues that need to be looked at, you can contact RevoltionAire and we can help troubleshoot. Thank you.